Taylor Swift took a break from her day job this weekend to serve her maid of honor duties in her childhood best friend's wedding, and by the looks of it, the night was flawless. It was definitely a love story, and although it wasn't Taylor saying yes, we have to admit she looks stunning in her maid of honor gown. In between collecting an armful of Grammys and touring the entire globe, Taylor Swift took a night off from being the center of the world's attention to take part in her childhood best friend Brit Maack's wedding that took place in Pennsylvania over the weekend. And yes, even world-renowned superstars like Taylor Swift get nervous partaking in such a big day. Last year, she opened up about being her best friend's maid of honor, saying, quote, "This is my first time and it's really, really important to me because this is my best friend who I've known since I was born. And she's marrying Benjamin LaManna, someone I've known since I was 4. And it seems as though she pulled through, as the wedding photos look seriously stunning. Taylor posted a series of photos to her Instagram account yesterday, the first writing, "I met her when I was 10 days old and him in kindergarten. Now they're married and I'm the happiest maid of honor ever. Congratulations, Brit and Ben." In another set of adorable BFF photos, Taylor captioned the first of her and Brit in their childhood prime, freshman year, and the next one captioned senior year of the two on her wedding day. Brit also shared a photo of her and her maid of honor on her Instagram account, writing, "The best friend, the best family, the best groom, and the best day." The two even wore similar style dresses, the bride donning in a white lace v-neck gown with cap sleeves, and Taylor wearing a pale pink gown, also with cap sleeves and a mesh neckline. Both dresses are thought to be designed by Rem Acra after being advertised in Vogue magazine, and it's rumored that Taylor contacted the showroom, you know, typical maid of honor duties. But I want to know what you guys thought of Taylor's and Brit's photos from her big day. The gowns, the perfection, the whole enchilada. So get to talking right down here in the comments section. And after that, don't you forget to click right over here to check out what we thought was the most underrated pop star on a brand new show of Debatable. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me here on Clevver News today. I'm your host, Jackie Idenisi, and I'll see you guys next time. And then click to the left to check out 5 weird toothpaste flavors, or you could always click right to see your favorite fast food totally remixed on a brand new cheat day.